Hi there, it's Dr. Grant Pagdin. Here at Pagdin Health, our mantra is living longer better. And one of the really important ways that we do that is a program called bioidentical hormone replacement. So people always have a bit of trouble with that. What the heck is bioidentical? Well, really, it's very simple. It just means identical to life. Bio is life. So what we would try to do is we would try to offer you a hormone replacement that is identical to the one that would normally be in your body. Now keep in mind that as we age, a number of hormones will be on the decline. The obvious ones for women at the menopause is the estrogen and progesterone. But there are other hormones going on that are a little less obvious. Women can also suffer from a lack of testosterone, which can dramatically affect libido. For men, of course, the drop-off in testosterone is what we call andropause, and it happens quite a bit more gradually than the drop-off in the hormones for women at the menopause. But nevertheless, it's important for men to keep up their youthful vigor and enthusiasm for life, their muscle and bone strength, as well as their sex drive by supplementing some testosterone if it starts to decline. So these are all important things to have analyzed if you want to optimize your aging. Now keep in mind, here at Pagdin Health, we have patients basically from coast to coast all across Canada. My license as a medical doctor allows me to order tests in any province and to order prescriptions in any province because my license has reciprocity across provincial borders. For naturopathic doctors, however, their license is confined to the province in which they practice. So Dr. Garrison and I have a system of teamwork where we debrief our cases at the end of every day. And if there are some cases that Dr. Garrison is following where the patient comes from a different province, then you could rest assured that I would be looking after your prescriptions and your blood tests for the province in which you are situated. So here at Pagdin Health, we have developed a great degree of expertise in bioidentical hormone replacement, and we are able to accept patients from all across Canada.